The most Moonstone benefits are repairing skin, hair, eyes and internal organs such as the liver and pancreas. Moonstone also harmonizes the hormonal cycle. It is used as a treatment for insomnia. It stabilizes emotions, provides peace, increases intuition, and has healing powers against negative energy. And some believe it can bring relief from menstrual problems, prevent water retention, cleanse the digestive system, and reduce obesity. Linked with the crown, third eye, and heart chakras. Moonstone calms and relieves stress while releasing love of all kinds. The birthstone for people born under the sign of Libra is the Moonstone, a nurturing gemstone. If you were born under the sign of Libra, Moonstone is particularly lucky for you.